Residents in northern Colorado were hit by a powerful thunderstorm that brought not only heavy rain but also damaging hail, causing significant damage to cars and homes. The storm caused havoc in Boulder, Larimer, and Weld Counties, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. In Erie, cars were left with shattered windshields and damaged exteriors, while in Longmont, residents had to shovel piles of hail out of their driveways. The hailstones were reported to be as large as 2 inches in diameter, which is roughly the size of a golf ball. The sheer force of the storm was enough to knock out power in some areas, leaving residents without electricity for hours. The aftermath of the storm has left many residents counting the cost of the damage caused by the heavy hail. Local authorities have urged residents to take caution and avoid unnecessary travel, as the conditions on the roads can be treacherous. And while the storm may have passed, the threat of more extreme weather remains. Meteorologists have warned that there could be more thunderstorms and heavy rain in the coming days, which could exacerbate the damage caused by the previous storm.
You're gonna lose your mirror. Huh? You're gonna lose your mirror, I think.
You want me to keep going?
I think you're gonna lose your mirror.